going to break this down for you. So this is the first part where we're going to go over what acids and bases are and examples of them and how to name them. So if you already have that part down, go to the next one. Okay? All right, so remember in the Bracken Cave, we talked about in San Antonio, Texas, there's home to like millions and millions of bats. And remember, it's really dangerous levels of ammonia in the cave, okay? It's a byproduct of that bat's urine. That's why they have to wear those protective respirators, because it's dangerous to our lungs, okay? Milk with magnesia, why it's safe? It's an antacid. It's because it only has a saturated solution, only has a very small amount of grams per 100 grams of water, making it safe for you to actually take for when you have a tummy upset. All right, remember, acids, they're tart, they smell sour, they conduct electricity, and they turn blue litmus paper red, okay? The bases are bitter, they can be slippery, they conduct electricity, and they turn red litmus paper blue, okay? So citric acids, okay? Citrus fruit, so lemons, limes, oranges, kiwi, grapefruit, all of that contains citrus acid. Also, tea contains tannic acid. And now bases and acids. So those are huge ones that you guys should know. Use bases to neutralize excess stomach acid when you've had too much hot dogs or whatever it is that upsets your stomach. Okay? And then also calcium hydroxide is a component in mortar, which we need to build nice brick homes. Okay? Your pH scale goes from 0 to 14. Remember, the closer it is to 0, the more acidic it is. The closer it is to 14, the more basic it is. Okay? So 7 is neutral, pH of less than 7 is acidic, pH of greater than 7 is basic. All right. So acid nomenclature. 2 total elements, it's hydro, element root, IC, acid. So hydrochloric acid. I want you to go ahead and stop the recording right now and finish the next 3. All right, so this next one, which should be hydrobromic acid. And don't forget this funny one, hydrosulfuric acid and hydrofluoric acid. All right, acid nomenclature when you have poly. There's 3 or more elements. You drop the hydro, 8 becomes ic, ite becomes OUS, okay? So the first one, here's your example, sulfuric acid. Don't forget that's the funny one that has the full name. Go ahead and stop the recording, do the last 2. Okay? CO3 comes from carbonate, so it's carbonic acid. PO3 comes from phosphite, so it is phosphorus acid. All right, last one, bases nomenclature. Element name plus hydroxide. Most of those are really easy to remember. Don't forget about NH3. So the first one, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Go ahead and stop the recording. Do the last 3. All right. Calcium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, and ammonia. All right, so this is it for acid bases nomenclature, and I will go ahead and stop the next one.